Hey guys, so if you have the problem is that Unity is not installing because someone on Reddit wrote it here, that Unity editor not downloading, and someone wrote it here. I was having a similar issue. What I did, change the permissions on the Unity hub and Unity folder in my program files and gave trusted installer full access to those folders. It installed afterwards. So try it out, maybe this is going to help you. I found this on Reddit. This is like to the point tutorials, quick and effective for you. I know it's a reading, but I hope it just like it helps you and it's not going to be completely useless. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.